Yes, it's again considered part of the matrix instrument. This topic is determinant. It means AB any square matrix, we can associate, we can find a value, then that value is called the determinant of that matrix. For example, here A is a square matrix border 2 by 2, or you can say this is a matrix of order 2. It means we can write this matrix as the determinant by changing the sign. A determinant here changes this sign 1, 2, 3, 4. But question is, what is the difference between matrix and determinant? Actually, matrix is the arrangement. Matrix is the arrangement, but determinant is the value of that matrix. It means determinant is the value. It's a fixed number. It's a fixed number. We can expand a determinant, but we cannot expand a matrix. मतलब matrix का जो order है, but याद रखिए, we can convert a square matrix in terms of determinant only, not other matrices. यानी जिसका ऑर्डर सेम नहीं है उनको हम कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. जो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है हम उन्हीं को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. अब क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू. जैसे आपने 11th में किया था क्रॉस बाय क्रॉस, इट मींस देन दिस इक्वल टू बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इट मींस ऐसे क्रॉस कर दीजिए आप. इट मीन 10th क्लास में पढ़ा था. इट मीन 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, that is 4 minus 6 minus. This is the value of the determinant A. Or you can write simply determinant A. ऐसे भी इसको लिखा जा सकता है, determinant A, or you can symbol determinant A. It means we can convert a square matrix in terms of determinant by just changing the sign. In this way, we can expand the value of a determinant. For example, it means A minus 4, 3 minus 3, 4 and 5. It means the value of this determinant is minus 4 into 5. क्रॉस करेंगे हम, ऐसे क्रॉस करते हैं, पहले अपर टू लोअर, माइनस लोअर टू अपर. इट मीन्स minus 4 into 5 माइनस ऑफ minus 3 into 4. बीच में याद रखिए हमेशा माइनस साइन आएगा, हमेशा ही माइनस साइन आएगा. देन दैट इज minus 20 माइनस ऑफ minus 12. minus 20 plus 12, that is minus 8. It means, or take a question, if A is a matrix of order 1, 0, 4 and 2, find 3A determinant. Find 3A determinant. तो क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? It means first to find 3A matrix. There is a 3, 0, 12 and 6. First to find 3A matrix. It means multiply each element of this matrix with 3, then a determinant. 3A determinant. It means determinant 3, 0, 12 and 6. Then this equal to 3 into 6 minus 12 into 0, that equal to 18. That the value of this determinant 3A. This is the value of the order 2. Next, one more.
सर एक बार वो पेज दिखाइएगा सर, थोड़ा ऊपर कर. ओके सर.
भाई 3A पहले हमने मैट्रिक्स 3A निकाला. 3, 0, 12, 6. 3 into 6, 12, 18. Minus 12 into 0, 0. We get 18. Then this equal next. It means if A this equal to A, B, C, and D. It means this implies its value is AD minus BC. It means AD minus BC. Next, this is the question 2 of NCERT book. It means if A, this is the cos theta minus sin theta, and this is the cos theta. Evaluate or find the value. Evaluate or find the value. Expand this determinant. कोई word use हो सकता है. It means वही cross cos square theta minus of minus sin theta into sin theta. That is cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. It means this is the value of the determinant. But question is, how to find the value of a determinant of order 3? ये हमारे लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Value of a determinant of order 3. ध्यान से बेटा. A, evaluate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It means we can expand this determinant by any row or by any column. We can expand this determinant by any row or by any column. It means, just for example here, we want to expand with R1. मैं यहाँ पे अभी लिख के चलता हूँ. Expand with R1. It means first you put the sign on the first row. It means this is the plus, minus, and this is the plus. अब ये कैसे आएगा? ये अभी माइनस से फैक्टर्स कराएंगे तब इसको क्लियर करेंगे. ये प्लस माइनस प्लस क्यों आया? It will expand with R1. It means then this equal to, ध्यान से बेटा, it will first you write the first element, first you write the sign of that element, then write that element into, write a determinants by deleting first row first column. यानी ये 1 कहाँ लाई करता है? फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में लाई करता है. इसलिए इसको छोड़ के जो बच गया है वो आप डिटरमिनेंट बना दीजिए. 5, 6, 8, 9. Then write second element, but first you write the sign -2. It means this -2 lie in the first row second column. It means delete first column. It means first row second column. Then we get 4, 6, 7, 9. Then write +3 into A1 3. Delete first row third column. It means first row third column. So what is left? There is a 4, 5, 7, and 8. It means if you expand, it means we can expand determinant of order 2. It means then this equal to 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 2, 36 minus 42 plus 3, 32 minus 30. It means we get -3 minus 2 into -6 plus 3 into -3. We get -3 plus 12 minus 9. Then this equal to -3 minus 9 minus 12 plus 12. Answer is 0. It means the value of this determinant is 0. The value of this determinant is 0.